Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Shenkang Old Street in New Taipei City became prosperous due to its position on the route between Taipei and Yilan. This historic street is lined with traditional Minnan and Fa Baroque buildings. It's also a great place to try some delicious food and drink, including the so-called Four Treasures of Shenkang. That's bamboo shoots, pork, tofu, and wenshan tea. It's also a great vantage point from which to enjoy the Tung Blossom Festival.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。Leo 啊，今天帶我們去哪裡呢？
我們帶大家到我們的附近的一個地方，叫做城行。
哪一個城呢？
深坑吃豆腐
啊，深坑啊，哦，好棒的地方。It's called 城行，深坑 known for its tofu。
可是你只知道豆腐，可是深坑其實有很多東西啊，有深坑四寶，你不知道吧？
真的假的？All I know about 深坑 and for most people I think is tofu. But apparently Leo knows that there are three other things or three other treasures that are found in 深坑。所以除了豆腐之外，另外三宝是什么？
另外三寶就是綠竹筍、六足筍。
六足筍 ，that's bamboo shoots。還有呢？
五足牛。
五足牛啊，黑豬肉。
是的。
pork。最後一個呢？
最後一個就是文山包種茶。
文山包種茶了。
對啦。
Okay, it's the 文山 tea. So when you go to 深坑, you should check out and taste all four of these treasures right there. Bamboo shoots, 綠竹筍, pork, 黑豬肉, tofu, of course, 就是豆腐, and then 文山包種茶, which is the 文山 tea. So there are a total of 4 different treasures that you can taste when you're around the 深坑 area. And by the way, 深坑 is really beautiful.
而且来到这边还可以看油桐花哦。
Really? So you can also enjoy the Tung Blossom Flower Festival that's going on around 深坑 as well. And then, as I said, the old street is also lined up with very old-style Baroque buildings as well. And it's very beautiful. Let's review some of these terms. 深坑
城行
城行 and then there are 4 treasures there. 有4寶。第一個綠竹筍 bamboo shoots.
六足筍
六足筍 and then you have 黑豬肉 pork.
五足牛
and then the 文山包種茶 very good tea.
文山包種茶
文山包種茶 and finally you won't miss this because it's tofu 豆腐 tofu. So go ahead, enjoy a great day in 深坑 and that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家
俺只識張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.